All right, we are now December the 2nd. There's two certainty in December, all right? First of all, we have Christmas on the 25th. But then there's another one, which is the gold bull run, all right? Well, it's 99% certain. What is the December bull run? Well, basically, it's a certain pattern that you can observe starting from mid-December, so starting from the third week, second or third week of December. It's a pattern that you can observe on the 4 hour. It's basically three waves, all right? So A, so B, downside, C, D, and then E, all right? So this three waves pattern usually occurs from the second or third week of December until early January, so the 1st, 2nd, or 3rd January. So let's take a look at December 2021. Now you can go back 10 years. It will be the same pattern, so it's your job to go back test those previous year. In the video, we'll be talking about the last 3 years. All right, so 2021, what can you see in this structure? Well, we have that three waves pattern starting from December 15. So you've got that first wave right there, one, now retracement, now the second one, now retracement, and the third one, which ends on the 2nd of January. All right, so this is the pattern that we call the gold bull run of December. It will always make higher highs and higher lows. All right, so in this example, well, you see a higher high right there, higher high right there, and the final higher high right there. You can see the higher lows, and then this one higher lows, but we didn't make the higher high since the bull run ends on the start of January. All right, so you can see it's not a pattern that you can see one time. All right, so it's a pattern that's recurring every single year for the last 10-20 years. It's been happening. All right, so now let's go into 2022. Same thing around December 15, so the same date as last year. We've got the first impulse, pull back, second impulse, pull back, and then the third impulse, which ended on January 4. All right, so it's basically the same thing as last year. Well, maybe a bit cleaner, but once again, you've got the point. It's higher highs, higher lows, and it's three waves. All right, now how do you trade this pattern? Well, it's pretty easy. I mean, first of all, you have to have a live account. I mean, funded accounts won't really cut it. I mean, you can try to swing trade on a funded account, but personally, I would prefer to only day trade them. So for me, to be able to hold a trade for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you need a personal live account. All right. Now, starting from the second week the third week of December, what do you do? Well, pretty easy. Your bias will always be gold buys, and then every position that you take, let's say usually you leave a 20% runners. Well, now for those positions, you should leave 60% runners, 80%, 100%. You can leave your entire position and close them at early January, and you will 99% make money. All right, so you can take a position right there, you can take a second position right there, and a third position probably right there, and then you hold until January. So it's a pretty easy swing trade to do. You just have to have the balls to hold those positions. Historically, the odds are in your favor. I mean, for the last 10 years, gold have always been positive in December. So if that doesn't work this year, well, I'll try again next year and the year after. The odds are in our favor. Okay, so it's a good odd trade, a good odd swing trade. So you should be holding those buys until early January. All right, and then we can go to last year. Same scenario. We had some fucked up things that happened in I think it was a Sunday. So market open on a Sunday, made 700 pips, and then went down for the first 2 weeks of December. It's not really important what happened there. What's important is that on the third week of December, so second or third week, this one started on December 13, let's say. So December 13, first leg up, now retracement down, then up to there, then down, then up. This one was a bit less clean than the other ones. So let's say you could have catched this buy right there, and then this one too. But then the other one right there would have been probably harder to catch. But still, you could have made two big swing position that you would have hold until end of December, early January, and you would have made a shit ton of money. All right, so pretty easy. This is how the December bull run works. I've been trading it for 4 years now, been making money every year since. The key points to make money: well, first of all, you need a personal live account. Don't be gay trading only some stupid challenges. This is not real trading. Real trading is having the balls to hold position for a month, 2 months. In this case, it's only 2 to 3 weeks, so should not be too hard for you guys. And then grab your balls of steel, hold those trades until early January, and you're gonna make some decent returns. All right, so this is the gold bull run. Of course, I will be calling the shots in the Discord like usual, but I just wanted to let you know the plan for December. For the first 2 weeks, the trading conditions are the same as always. We still trade both sides, but starting from the third week, then this is full bull run mode.